Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is all about helping you personalize your chess.com profile on your Android phone by adding a custom status. If you're someone who wants to show your mood, activity, or a quick message to your chess friends, then this guide is for you. Let's get started. First, open the chess.com app on your Android phone. Next, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the option labeled More. Then, from the menu that appears, select Settings. After that, tap on Profile to open your account information. Scroll down until you find the Language option and tap on it. Tap on Select Language. This will open your phone's language settings. Then click on Add the language. Choose language you want from list. Press and hold the language you want to use and drag it to the top of the list. Tap on Change. This action will update both your phone and the chess.com app. Language settings. To wrap up, changing the language in the chess.com app is simple and only takes a few minutes by following these steps carefully. Now you can enjoy playing chess in the language of your choice. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.